What are you doing?
Look at my hair knife. Because I want to say, oh, she, oh.
What's up, everyone? It's your boy Tyler.
And my name is Lulu.
Yeah, you guys asked for it. I know it's been like, what, a year or two?
I don't know.
It's been a while because you guys have been asking, where is Mama Lulu?
Here I am.
Yeah, Today I just wanted to do a video to see how well my mom knows me, her child, her oldest child. Do you think you know me very well?
Yes, I think so.
So here we go, guys. Here are the questions. Good luck. Where was I born at?
You was born in Kapilani Hospital in Honolulu, Hawaii, on Oahu.
Oh, okay. Well, that's just too much for you. Kapilani Hospital is, yeah, I'm sure. Okay. Okay, next question. What is my What is my favorite movie?
Your favorite movie was Lion King.
Yes, that's one of my favorite movies. What was my favorite Halloween movie?
Hocus Pocus.
Yeah. What's her name?
Bette Midler. That's mine. I like her.
Oh, yeah. Let's sing a song for Bette Midler.
From the park you hear happy sound of the carousel. You can almost taste the hot dogs and French fries they sell. Break it.
Who is my favorite gospel artist?
Oh, that's easy. Fred Hammond.
Shout out to Fred Hammond if you're watching this. I love you.
Yes.
There's a famous song that I love from him. No weapon formed against me
Yes.
shall prosper.
Okay, next question.
What high school did I graduate from?
My alma mater. Farrington High School Governors. Yes. Governors.
What is my favorite food?
Oh my gosh,
Well,
that's
man,
easy.
And you better not throw shade.
Rice.
That's not my favorite food.
Yes, you always like eat rice. Rice? Oh, because they're rice.
Oh, because rice is just the carb I eat with the food.
Chicken.
Chicken, yeah. And what's the specific chicken? I love fried chicken.
Fried chicken.
I love shoyu chicken. Oh,
Yeah.
Shoyu chicken
And oyster chicken.
oyster chicken is one of my favorite. What color are my eyes, Mom?
It's brown. I don't have to look at it. Hello, it's brown.
What is my middle name?
Your middle name is Paulstein, and Palestina in Samoa.
Oh yeah.
You?
Oh yeah. You want a cookie?
Yeah, I want a cookie. A big fat one cookie.
What was my first job?
I know your first job as a cashier at Chevron's gas station in
Dang.
Hawaii.
Yeah, that's correct. I worked at Chevron as a cashier when I was 19.
Oh my gosh. I forgot my earrings to put on my earrings.
Well, nobody cares about your earrings. You look nice. What is my shoe size?
Your shoe, I like to say 20, but no, it's 15.
15, 20?
Well,
Where you got 20 from?
it's 15.
No, no, she's lying, guys. My shoe size is 14 wide.
What?
14 wide?
14 wide.
Do I like vegetables?
Yeah,
Yep, I do
Yeah.
like vegetables.
he like.
What are my phobias? What am I afraid of?
What are you, what?
What am I afraid of?
What are you afraid of? I know you're afraid of me. And snakes.
No, I'm not scared of snakes.
Why? Because you can't eat them.
Have you tried it?
What? Okay, I don't know if you know this one. What is my favorite holiday?
His favorite holiday is Thanksgiving. He get to eat.
Well, yeah, I mean, she ain't lying. I love Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is like one of the best time of the year besides Christmas.
I can see that.
But,
You tried it.
okay, she's doing all these fat jokes. Man, she trying. But look at me, guys. Look, I'm sexy, Even though I'm like, still hefty. I'm actually working on myself, losing weight, actually. But I'm looking really good. Oh.
What? Yeah, you good. Yeah. Yeah, you're looking good.
Okay. Do I believe in ghosts?
No.
I do, actually, Mom.
You do?
Yeah.
You saw one?
Yeah, we're here.
That was
Okay.
funny to me.
Oh, it was funny to me.
You want me to slap you in front of everybody?
What is my favorite hobby?
His favorite hobby is over there, Hobby.
Hobby Lobby. Do I like spicy food?
No.
I do. Mom, you don't even know me, man.
No, you don't like spicy.
I do love spicy. I love kimchi.
Yeah,
I
kimchi. That's it. But when we make spicy sardines, I thought, oh no, I don't like spicy food.
No. Certain types of situation. Well, yeah, maybe you're right. I'll say the only spicy food I love is kimchi.
So what is the answer?
Sometimes. The answer is sometimes. The last question of this video here, Mom.
Yeah.
Am I a light sleeper?
A what?
Am I a light sleeper?
Oh, hell no.
What? I am. If you wake me up, you're like, Tyler, ala lunga. Out of my lunga.
Oh my gosh, Tyler, listen to me. First of all, I know you very well. You're not a what sleeper is that?
Light sleeper.
You're not a light sleeper. Thunder can come, or anybody can come in the house, or somebody like a robber come inside our house. It's our robber rob our house, and he's and when he sleep to it and snore, oh my god, like he's gonna come and bite you like. Yeah, that's how he.
Go fight. Do it again.
Yeah, that's how he's.
That's not how I sleep. That's so lame, Mom. That's not how I sleep. I sleep like this.
I'm gonna record it, and then I'm gonna show him on Facebook.
This is how I sleep, guys.
He go, and he go, like he's gonna bite you like right.
So lie.
Yeah.
No, I do not sleep like that. Watch it. I sleep like this.
Tyler, you lying.
I am, Mom. No, she don't sleep like that. She go, hello.
He lying. You guys need to don't stop him. He lying.
You can be sitting down.
Okay, then, thank you very much. That's it. That's all the questions right now. Okay.
She can be sitting down.
Are you turn off the camera already?
No, I say you can be sitting down having a conversation, and then she will doze off.
Oh,
and the kid off me.
Tyler, what you like? That's you. I already have my tongue sticking out there trying to bite the person next to you sleeping. Oh my god, that's the kind you can go like this. Hey, hello.
Hey,
I'm like, hey, you know, hey, go over there, and you go, go over there, go talk. Yeah, that's him. That's my son sleeping. He's trying to pull me in his situation. No, he lied. But yes, thank you very much for joining us on this special questionnaire of him. You know. But
thank you guys so much for tuning in. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Tyler.
And my name is Lulu.
And see you guys next time. And please comment below and like and share this video. Right, Mom? Say share this video.
Share this video and subscribe.
Subscribe and follow, all that.
And like.
And like, comment, tag
Don't
people.
like him. Like me.
Yeah. Bye.